Hi, it's Toby's mom again. We're going to try something I saw on YouTube, and what it is to lighten these dark circles. And it's supposed to reduce puffiness, and it's supposed to be all natural. So what I did was, the recipe was to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to, it said some warm water. So what I did is just added it to about 6 ounces of water. You soak 2 cotton balls, and you're supposed to put it under your eyes and leave it sit for 15 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to squeeze these out. I'm going to put them under my eyes and let it sit for 15 minutes, and then we'll see if it looks any different than it does now. See you in a bit. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, so I'm taking this off. I almost fell asleep. And it says to take it off, to rinse, and I'm using a damp towel right now for these purposes. And to use your under eye cream. I don't know, they look a little better to me, because my under eyes are usually really, really dark. Like purple. This isn't bad. And this is all natural. It costs you pennies to do. So I'd give it a shot. Why not? It was 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It says a glass of warm water. So I use like 6 ounces. And 2 cotton balls. Soak the cotton balls, squeeze them out, put them under your eyes, rest for 15 minutes, rinse it off, put on your under eye cream, and I think it did a nice little job. Okay, you guys, if you like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.